All right, viewers, we have some more breaking inputs coming in that Siddharth Pithani has now left the CBI headquarters and has been brought back to the DRDO guest house. Remember, viewers, today morning is when Rhea Chakrabarti has also been brought at DRDO guest house. For over 9 hours now, her interrogation is currently underway. We'll have to wait and see if these both key suspects will also be brought in front of each other in a way and questioned along together or not. Now let's go across to my colleague Madhurima joining us live for more on this. Madhurima, big updates coming in. Siddharth Pithani, who left from the CBI headquarters, has now been brought back to the DRDO guest house, which is certainly a big update because Rhea Chakrabarti, even as we speak right now, her interrogation is continuing.
Yes, absolutely. It's a big move as these two people will be confronted because several confessions have been made by Pithani and Rhea, however, has categorically rejected them. However, this would be a move from the side of the CBI to place them in front of each other and question them and grill them. We know that the CBI has been grilling Rhea since morning. It's been over 9 hours. Some regressive, very aggressive grilling is happening inside the DRDO office. Siddharth Pithani, who was initially at the CBI headquarters, has been brought here, and this has now intensified the interrogation which is being conducted by the CBI here. Let me remind you that Neeraj, Souvik, Samuel Miranda, now Siddharth Pithani and Rhea all are inside the DRDO office. A CBI official just left the premises and we are now waiting for Rhea to come out at any moment, and we are getting this update that she might just come out any moment, and then we can question her about the interrogation which took place today. Today, even earlier, we saw that how regressive and aggressively she responded to Republic Media Network when we went to her for some questions, as we believe that she is afraid of some real question and is expecting softballs like she has been getting, where she is vilifying Sushant and really not being held accounted for her role in this entire death case. Back to you.
All right, we leave it at that. Madhurima, thank you so much for getting us the latest from the DRDO guest house. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.